Hey everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to discuss another LeetCode problem statement, that is word pattern. It's a 290 problem statement of LeetCode. So here you have given a pattern and another string called S, and you just have to find if S follows the same pattern or for an example. Here you can see we have this A, B, B and A. This is our pattern string, okay, and the other string which we have, that is S. Now this S is having this dog, cat, cat and dog. If you will see, A is pointing to this dog, B is pointing to cat, again B is pointing to cat, and A is pointing to dog. So in this case we have to return true. By any chance, if this value is not matching or it's getting some different word, then in that case we have to return false. So let me quickly jump to the board and we will discuss the approach for the same. Okay, so the same example we are considering here. In order to solve this problem statement, the first thing what we need is we will be using this hash map to solve this problem statement. Now, the given pattern which we have, that is A, B, B and A. So index starts from 0 and it will go up to this length. The other thing what we have given is the S string, that is dog, cat, cat, dog. In order to solve this problem statement, we need two hash map. The first hash map will hold the value for this pattern characters, and second hash map will hold the value for this string. So this is the map 1 and this is map 2. Now this map 1 will hold the pattern related string, and map 2 will hold the string related thing. So what we are going to do, in key we will be storing characters, and in value we will be storing this string, as we have to map this one, right? This value with this word, again this character with this. So the key will be of characters type and value will be of string type. Similarly, in second map, the key will be of string type. Why? Because we are going to hold string as a key and value will be the character. So value will be of char type. So this is the approach we are going to follow. Similar kind of problem statement we have solved, that is isomorphic, the previous problem. So now what we have to do? The first character, will see whether this is present in the map or not. In this case it is not present, so we will add this one, and value we are going to store as dog. This is at 0th index. So what we will do, we will simply convert this given string for s into array. Okay, so this will be the second and third. Similarly, for the other way around, now dog will have another word called character a. Now for B, we have another word cat. So we'll see B is for cat, and similarly here also cat will hold the character B. Other way around. Again we have B. So we will see whether this B is present or not. In this case it is present, and if we will see what is the value for B, it's cat. Now the same index we have this cat. So in this case we will consider it valid. If there is any mismatch, then from there itself it will return false. Again you just have to check whether for cat you know we have this value B or not. So in this case also cat is having B, so we are good. If there is mismatch, then it will return false. Again A, so it will see whether for A is present or not. It is there, and the value for A is dog, and here also the value for third index is dog. It means this way we are good. If there is any mismatch, it will return false. Other way around, for dog we have A, so this is also true because it's same. So in this case, at the end we will simply return true. If there is any mismatch, we will return false. Let me quickly jump to the LeetCode compiler and we'll write the code for the same. Okay, so as we have discussed, if the length of this pattern is not equal to The length of after splitting this string, whatever length will have, if it is not same, it means this is not going to be a valid pattern. So for that we will simply return false from here itself. Now, as we discussed, in order to solve this problem statement, we need two map. One map will hold the value for pattern and another map will hold the value for string. We are going to use HashMap over here. Perfect. Now another map, again as discussed, it will be reverse the string as well as the character. This will hold map 2. We are using HashMap. Now let me start the iteration. Iteration will start from index 0 and it will go up to the length of the pattern or the length of the given whatever array we will have. This is a string and it will keep on incrementing. One other thing which I want to do, like I simply want to create another string array from this splitted string s dot split, and we are splitting based on white space. Now here what you have to do, you just have to find the current character from where we will get this current, that we will get from the pattern by using char of I method. Now another thing we need is string str, from where we will get this str, that will be value of I. Okay, ith word. Now we have to check again if the first map one contains key. In this case the key will be character, so whether this current is available or not. If it is available, we have to do some sort of activity. If it is not available, then simply we will insert. The first thing we will insert correct character and the other thing will be our string. If it is available, in that case what we have to do, we just have to use this get method for this current and we'll see whether it's equals to the one which we have in other string, that is str. If it is not equal, then you just have to return false. In order to do not, you have to use this one, not. Same set of activity you have to do for map2 whether it contains key. In key we have to use str. If it is there, then we have to do some sort of activity. If it is not there, then we will simply add the value. Here the key will be str and the value will be current. If it is there, then what we have to do, we just have to check map2 dot, you just have to check whether this, for this word, what is the value, and that value, if it is equal, then it's fine, or else we will return false from here itself. Same thing whatever we have discussed in our problem statement. At the end you just have to return, you know let me execute this code and we'll see whether it's working properly or not. Okay, so this is a string, so there is a typo, it will be equals both places. Okay, so all the three test cases passed successfully. Let me submit this solution. Okay, so all 44 test cases passed successfully, and this is the approach we have to follow in order to solve this problem statement. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your day.